Today we'll be reviewing Artemis by Outre, and I am going to show you guys how you can help this hairline look a little better and not so wiggish, and how to get that part that you mostly desire instead of the L part shape. So if you want to see how I got this wig to look so cute, let's keep watching. Take my Got to Be Invisible Styling Gel. Everybody know what this is. Take this scarf. I'm gonna tie it down. Yeah, up to 400, cause yeah, cause I don't even know how come.
Basically, it's better that I explain this part. So basically what I did, instead of the L shape, I took my comb and took my fingers and lightly took out pieces. I kept going in, wrapping the hair around my fingers and pulling just a little tightly. Try not to put any holes by just tugging. Just do it a little lightly and just keep opening up that part as best as you can. Also in this part also, and we're just trying to help the hairline look as best as possible. I really couldn't tweeze, but I try to do the best I can to tweeze as much as I can because it was just way too thick right here. So again, I'm just manipulating the hairline with a tweezer as best as I can, and then I am going to still keep parting. And I'm going to take my hot comb and try to flatten that as best as possible. Please be careful not to burn your hair, because remember, this is some sort of synthetic fiber. So the heat added a little more thickness to it, and it helped it lay down a little better. And now I'm just going to take some mousse and lay down on that, and also use the hot comb. If you have wax, use your wax.
Oh, this is coming along. Alright, so since we worked on this side, we're going to try working on this side.
The side of the hair had a very unattractive lump or hump. So what I did is part the hair as I kept taking the hot iron and I just kept passing it through so it can lay the hair as flat as possible. Again, I did it by layers. I took another layer. I did about 4 to 5 layers, passing through with the hot comb, and then it looked more pleasing to me to where that hump finally laid down as best as possible. And just go over it with your hot comb also.
Now this wig is starting to sit, honey, cause I need her to look how she look, how they worked on her on the mannequin head on the display. So yes. Now you really won't be able to wear your hair back. Take some mousse, and we're going to. This is the mousse I use. I think my daughter bought this, and my hard head spray. I like putting my products on my hand, just like I don't know, when I do makeup and everything. I just like putting my products on. I cannot get the hairline
Literally,
that I
use your hot
envision.
comb, your blow dryer, any sort of heat that's not over 400 is your best friend with this wig. We're going to
I'll
try to
comb it
make her
back.
look aesthetic pleasing as possible and not so wiggish.
Spray it. But the right color for me and this formula is Nambia. So a little bit in the beginning part of the hairs on both sides, so it could give an illusion as if the part is bigger, but it's really not. I'm just adding some to the hair. Now I'm going to use the same foundation right here in the beginning. Add to my hairline. So I'm going to cut it with a scissor. So I want to make sure that I have some of that left, the lace left. Wigs, synthetic wigs, it's so easy. It is so easy. Like this has to be cut. Yes, because I need you to flip, honey. I need my wigs to flip, boo. Alright, I'm going to just go over this with the hot comb one more time. And, yeah, this will be my wig. You guys see that? Yep. Down to the cue. The wig is customized to my liking. It's customized to my liking. It took a lot of playing around with it and customizing, but it's just looking good. My forehead is starting to look a little shiny, guys, because I didn't really set my makeup. I just wanted to film this, so I am going to the hair to give that little illusion, because we really don't have a beginning that we would like. So, however, sis is cute. Sis is going out with me to run some errands today. I will be wearing her to work. And like I said, if you're on the journey of taking care of your hair like I am, I like these synthetic wigs because I can switch them up every day. I don't glue them down because I do not sleep with a wig on my head. But yeah, this is the look.